Congratulations to Roaring Bangladesh on reaching 100,000 subscribers. That is an amazing achievement. Well done, a lot of hard work, great quality content. My name is Karel, I am with Bongo Studios and I'm very proud to give you the silver play button. So congratulations, keep up the good work. And for all the viewers out there, keep coming back to this amazing channel with great content about the Bangladesh business community, career advice, and some in-depth interviews with people from the business community. And one last thing, I would like to introduce the father of Arafat, who has made this channel.
Abu.
Let's go.
Okay.
Come on, let's go. Go. Here he is, Arafat HRidoy's father, who has made it all happen. A very proud man, and I'm also very proud of the achievement. Well done.
Okay. Thank you.
All right.